Hi everyone, I am Susie Vasquez and I am doing my book review demonstration. The book I used is Full House, which to me was an introduction to fractions because in the book, Miss Bloom is in charge of the Strawberry Inn, and so the Strawberry Inn has 6 rooms, 5 guest bedrooms and 1 for her. So what we could do in this for the book is, as each guest is checking in, the author puts down here that the first guest checks in, so they fill 1 out of 6 rooms. So the 1 is the numerator, which is the number of parts you have, and the denominator is the bottom number, which is the number of parts the whole is divided into. So for example, we can take out our manipulatives, and this one is the whole, and each room, when the guests are being checked in, is 1/6. So it's 6 equal parts, which will equal the 1, as I am demonstrating right here with my manipulatives. It's 4, 5, and 6. So as each room was being filled, then it was 1/6, which is the part of the whole, which is the 1. And also, the book mentions a strawberry cake. So each guest, the whole, which is the whole circle, demonstrates the strawberry cake. And it is divided into 6 because it is 5 guests and Miss Bloom. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 and 6. So each guest eats 1 piece of pie, and so if each guest eats 1 piece of pie, they are eating 1/6 of the pie. The 1 represents the numerator and the 6 represents the denominator, because each guest eats 1, which is the number of parts that you have, and the denominator is the number of parts that the whole is divided into. The cake is divided into 6 pieces, which is the denominator, and each guest will eat 1, which is the numerator. So as an extension to our fractions, some samples that I can do with my students is adding the fractions, which right here we can do 2/6 plus 1/6 equals, and we can talk to our students. I can show them our manipulatives, which is 2/6 right here, which is the first section, plus the 1/6, and then they can count 1, 2, and 3. So we can put right here that it's 3/6, or we can show them in a pictorial. They can draw a circle with 6 equal sections, and we can shade them in. The first one is 2/6, so we can shade in 1, 2, and then we can shade in the other one, which is for 1/6. And we can ask them how many parts is shaded out of the 6, and they will count 1, 2, 3, which equals 3/6. Now, we can move on to the next sample, which is 4/8 plus 3/8. What we can do is have our whole, which is the 1, and add the 4/8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 3/8, 1, 2, 3. So 4/8 plus 3/8 equals, you can count them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 eighths. Which also, if you want to look in the, make a section for a pictorial, we can shade in 4 parts, 4 of 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the first one. And then the second number, 3 eighths, we can shade in 3 more. 1, 2, 3. We can ask the students how many sections of the 8 are filled in. They can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is down here. 4 eighths plus 3 eighths equals 7 eighths. Now the last example that I have that we can work on together with the students is 1/2 plus 1/2. So we can do 1/2 plus 1/2, which equals 1, 2. Let's get a different color. 2 over 2, which 2 equal sections of 2 equals 2 over 2, which equals 1, because the 2 sections fill the whole section right here. So it is 1 whole. We can do the same with our circle pictorial. 1/2 plus 1/2 is, we can fill in 1 section right here, 1, and we can fill out the other section, 1/2. And we can ask the students how many sections of 1/2 are filled in. 1 and 2. So 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 2 over 2, which equals the 1. And this is how I would demonstrate my the fractions with my students. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a good day.